Hey guys, I'm coming to you today with my Project Tin Pan / Empties number 3. So let's hop right into it. So let me give you guys a brief update on the Wet n Wild eyeshadows. Quick story, I attempted to depot them so I could take them with me to LA for Generation Beauty. That was a complete fail. I messed them up. They were all... I was too embarrassed to even video how terrible it looked. So those are now out of Project Tin Pan and somewhere in a recycled landfill. Oh. Alright, so next up is this Dickens. This is another item from my Project Tin Pan. Is this Dickens Witch Hazel. Yes, it has a little bit left, but I guarantee you by the end of the week I will be completely finished with this. So this is a honorable mention and it's almost Empties. Next up is facial. I have these 3 facial pads. Of course, I've been saving this stuff for the past 3 months, so I've used each of these for, you know, this. I use this Yes to Carrots Nourishing Fragrance Free Gentle Cleansing Wipes. Unfortunately, they weren't gentle enough for me and they still give me those little breakout bumps, so I won't be repurchasing those. But obviously, I love these Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes and Hydrating. I have very sensitive skin and these are the most moisturizing wipes that I've used thus far, so I definitely, and I actually already have repurchased these. And it comes in a 25 count. Next up, which I will be repurchasing in the winter, is this Eucerin Eczema Relief Body Cream with Oatmeal Samurai-3, and I can't even pronounce that last one. But this is some really good body lotion for people with extremely dry skin. I'm not sure if I actually have eczema or not, but I have super dry skin. And a good dupe for this is the Bath & Body Works. It's that similar thick texture, but this doesn't have a fragrance, whereas if you're allergic to kind of fragrance, then don't get the Bath & Body Works to get this. But they're both similar price range, like $11.99 or $12.99, but it's completely worth it. Next up are 2 random empties. This is a Roto Hydra eye drops. Unfortunately, I read online that this brand that was made in Vietnam, there was a recall, so of course I stopped using it. So this is going to my empties. And this Julie G Jet Set nail polish, completely obsessed. I've already repurchased, and it got really, this one got really sticky because I think I mixed it with my nail polishes, so that's why it changed the color, so that kind of messed up the consistency. But the new one that I purchased hasn't done that, so I really recommend this if you need a jet set or, you know, a fast nail drying. Next up, perfumes. I purchased this at my local Ross. This is the Juicy Couture. I wanted the Viva Juicy and I bought this thinking this was the Viva Juicy. Ha, tricked ya, it wasn't. So I used this all up. This was about $19.99 from Ross. I got this Lady Gaga Fame Rollerball perfume. I got this a while ago. Finally used it up. And last Christmas I bought the Katy Perry Killer Queen box set. And this is the shower gel. I actually ended up using this as hand wash in my bathroom. But it smells really good and it actually lingers pretty long, whereas the perfume, it doesn't last as long in my opinion. But I love the smell regardless. And 2 other random items are these Bath & Body Works candles. If you saw my sweater weather tag from last fall, oh my gosh. This pumpkin pecan waffle candle is just my everything, my all, and I love it. It just, the throw is just amazing. And they came out with new fragrances this year, and vanilla pumpkin marshmallow smells delicious. And if you can't tell, I love pumpkin, so if you guys want to send me some pumpkin stuff, just let me know. And last but not least are hair products. If you saw my video, what's in my travel bag, I took these 2 products with me to LA, which is the Karen's Body Beautiful Super Duper Hydrating Hair Cream, which the name describes it all. This is the Bomb Diggity, And then, does anybody even say that anymore? I don't know. Karen's Body Beautiful Sweet Ambrosia Leave-In Conditioner and Pomegranate Guava. These two together gives my hair life. Yes. Okay? These two, this is awesome. The sample size is $3.99. You can find them at your local Target. My Targets don't have them, but whenever I go visit my parents, I pick them up in massive quantities. So I suggest these if you're looking for a good leave-in conditioner and cream moisturizer. And last two things is this Joico Moisture Recovery. I just wanted to try this as my rinse out conditioner. I wasn't that crazy about it. I love the smell and I love the fact that it's pH balanced. But I didn't even do a review on it because I wasn't that crazy about it. It's not bad, but it's not going to be a staple. And finally, if you haven't seen my video, I'll leave the link below on the Jamaican Mango and Lime Jamaican Black Castor Oil paraben free conditioner. Woo! That was a mouthful. This conditioner also gives me life. This is a deep conditioner. It smells like coconut. It's amazing. I have repurchased and I probably will continue to use this as a nice protein-free moisturizing deep conditioner. Alright guys, that was it. I hope this video wasn't too long. I hope I wasn't talking too fast, which I probably was. But let me know what you guys have used up over the past few months, and let me know some things that are coming out new that maybe you haven't seen me try and you would like to suggest me to do a review on. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!